Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create affiliate system in a WooCommerce website using SUMO Affiliates plugin. The pricing of this plugin is only $39 for a single website, and you will get future updates and 6-month support for this plugin. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can start affiliate program in a WooCommerce website using 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 WooCommerce Affiliates plugin, and the pricing of this plugin is $179.99 for a single website. In another video, I have shown you how you can create affiliate program in WooCommerce website using Affiliates for WooCommerce plugin. This plugin is available on the official WooCommerce website, and the pricing of this plugin is $179. In another video, I have shown you how you can use the Affiliate WP plugin, and the pricing of this plugin is $149 per year for a single website. If you want to watch these videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. You can compare the features of all these plugins and then decide which plugin will be suitable for your WooCommerce website to start affiliate program. If you compare the pricing of all these plugins, then SUMO Affiliates is the most affordable plugin, and the pricing is only $39. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. Here you will see the features of this plugin. You can create affiliate referral link and affiliate referral code, front-end form, site admin, members can become affiliate while registering on website, affiliate link generator, affiliate links can be generated based on username and user ID, affiliate promotion through WooCommerce coupons, lifetime affiliate linking, auto or manual approval of affiliate commission, multi-level affiliate marketing is also available, separate table for site admin, and many other features. So I'll give the link in the description box if you want to buy this plugin. So let's see how we can start the affiliate program in a WooCommerce website using SUMO Affiliates plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and I'm using WooCommerce on this website. This is a demo WooCommerce website. So let's go to plugins and go to add new plugin. I have already downloaded the plugin, so I'm going to upload the plugin. Click on upload plugin, select the file and click on install now. It is installed. Click on activate plugin. The plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel, you will see the option SUMO Affiliates. Click on it, and here you will see the list of all the affiliates on your website. At the bottom you will see settings. Click on it. We will go through the settings first. This is the URL of your website, the URL of this temporary website. Enable affiliates commission for all products or selected products, all categories or selected categories. So if you want to start affiliate program for all the products on your WooCommerce website, then select all products. If you want to select a specific product for the affiliate program, you can select this option, selected products, and enter the name of the product, and affiliate will be applicable for that product only. In this case, I'm going to select all products. Below that we have mode of working will be quick setup, so I'm going to keep it as it is. Affiliate application approval will be manual or automatic, so I'm going to select automatic. So whenever someone apply for the affiliate program, the user will get approval automatically. If you want to set it manual, you can select manual. In that case, the admin will go to the dashboard, review the application manually, and approve the affiliate program for that user manually. Right, so I'm going to select automatic approval. Below that we have affiliate commission global settings. Calculate the commission when before applying coupons or after applying coupons. So I'm going to select after applying coupons. So the affiliate commission will be paid based on the final price of the product. Affiliate commission type will be fixed commission or percentage of product price. I'm going to select percentage, and let's say it will be 10% of the actual product price. So the affiliate user will get 10% commission. A referral priority will be referral link or referral coupon. So I'm going to select referral link. Affiliate link cookies expires in, let's say, 30 days. So the cookies will remain there for 30 days. Below that we have delete affiliate link cookies after number of purchase. Let's say after 3 purchases, it is going to delete the affiliate link cookies. If you do not want that option, you can simply keep it as it is. Affiliate lifetime linking settings. Enable lifetime linking of affiliate. Currently it is set to disable. Then we have credit last referral. When enabled, affiliate commissions will be awarded to the last affiliate whose affiliate link has been used by the user. I have it checked. I'm going to keep it as checked. Affiliate commission order status settings. Affiliate commissions are calculated when the order status becomes completed. So we are going to pay the affiliate commission when the order is completed. If I click on it, you will see different statuses of the order. I have selected completed. So only after completing the order, we are going to approve the affiliate commission. Affiliate commission approval will be manual or auto approval. So I'm going to keep it on auto approval. Front-end form settings. Enable all payments. Enable PayPal payment only or custom payment only. If you are using PayPal, then you can set up only PayPal. If you have multiple payment gateways, then select enable all payments. Display website URL. So I'm going to keep it as show. Creative tables will be 5 and my account settings. Create affiliate for user while sign up. I'm going to enable it. So whenever someone signs up to your website, it is going to create affiliate for that user. Click on save changes. Next is advanced. Enable multi-level affiliate marketing. If you want to create multi-level affiliate marketing, you can enable this option, and number of direct referrals for each affiliate will be 3. You can change this number. Affiliate depth level will be, let's say level 1% will be 10%, level 2 will be 5%, and level 3 will be 3%, something like that. So for the level 1, the commission will be 10%. For the level 2, it will be 5%, and for level 3, it will be 3%. It is applicable only when you enable multi-level affiliate marketing. I'm going to keep it disabled. And below that, we have the front-end dashboard customization. These are the color settings. I'm going to keep it as it is for now. Generate referral link based on the affiliate name or ID. I'm going to keep it on ID, so it will create an ID for the user. Let's click on save changes. Next is manual affiliate linking. I don't think we need to make any changes here. Let's go to email, and these are the email settings. Email settings for admin. Enable email notification to admin for affiliate application submission. So whenever someone apply for the affiliate program, it is going to send email notification to the admin, and currently it is disabled. So I don't want to receive any notification when someone applies for the affiliate program because we have it on auto approval. Subject will be this line, and this will be the message. Email settings for user. Enable affiliate application submitted, enabled. This is the subject line. If you want to change these lines, you can change these lines. Enable affiliate application approval email. So this is the subject and the message. Enable affiliate application rejected email. Enable affiliate pause email. Then we have affiliate application deleted email. Affiliate application earnings email. Let's suppose someone clicks on affiliate link and makes a purchase. The affiliate user will get this email: you have earned affiliate commission on this site, and this will be the message: your affiliate link has earned the commission. And the other email settings are there. So I'm going to click on save changes. I have not made any changes here. Let's go to messages, and these are the messages: affiliate pending message, affiliate rejected message, affiliate paused message, and the other messages. Leaderboard. Enable to display the leaderboard option to the user. You can enable this option from here. Next to that, we have short code. This is the short code which you can use to create affiliates dashboard. So I'm going to create a new page here. Let's go to pages, and let's create a new page here, and let's name it as affiliates. I'm using Elementor on this website, so I'm going to use Elementor. If you're using any third-party page builder, you can use that page builder and use the short code to create your dashboard. So here I'm going to use short code. drag and drop it here and copy this short code, and let's use this short code here. Let's add some padding to the top and to the bottom. So you will see the dashboard here. I'm going to click on publish. So this is going to be the affiliates dashboard. I'm going to add this one in the main menu. So let's go to appearance, go to menus. Let's select this page, add the page to the menu, click on save menu. Now this is the website. If I refresh it, you will see this affiliates is added in the main menu. Click on it and you will see the SUMO affiliates payment method, website URL. How will you promote us? So this user has not yet applied for the affiliate program. That's why it shows the form to apply to the affiliate program. All right, now let's go back to settings, refer a friend, and these are the settings for the refer a friend. Then we have custom CSS, a reset, a request, and help. So you will see all the documentation here, or you can create a ticket if you need any support. I'm going to open this website in another browser and I'm going to apply for the affiliate program. So let me open this one in incognito mode. So here I'm not logged into this website and I'm going to make one purchase here. Let's add this product to the cart and let's go to checkout, and I'm going to fill up the form here. I'm entering some dummy information here, okay, and it is asking me to create an account. So I'm going to create an account also and place the order. Now there are different methods to create an account. I have just made a purchase and I have created an account on this website. Let's go to affiliates option here and I'm going to apply for the affiliates option. So let's say I'm going to select PayPal payment method and I'm going to add the PayPal payment email address so that I can receive affiliate commission. So I'm going to enter some dummy information, and this is going to be my website which I'm going to use for the promotion of the products. Let's use google.com, and how will you promote? Let's say blog or YT channel. Submit the application. So we have applied for this program here. Now let's go back to the admin dashboard. Go to SUMO affiliates and you will see that one user has applied for the affiliate program and the status is approved, and this is the affiliate ID for this particular user. Now when I refresh it, you will see now I have the dashboard. This is the dashboard for the affiliate user. This is the username. This is the affiliate email address, total earnings, affiliate ID is there, affiliate link. I can enter the URL here and generate the link, or I can use this URL which is the URL of the domain. So I can use this URL to promote the website. Next to that we have affiliate coupon. If there is any affiliate coupon, it will show it here. Commission, if I make any sale, then it will show the commission here. These are the creatives, number of visits, statistics, it will show commissions, visits, and these are the settings. Payment method is PayPal, and this is the email address for the PayPal. Now I'm going to use this affiliate link and I'm going to make a purchase using another browser. Let's go to another browser. I have opened this website using this referral link and I'm going to make another purchase. Let's add this product to the cart. Go to cart, checkout. Let's use another user here. All right, I'm going to place the order and the order has been received successfully, and these are the details. Now let's go back to admin dashboard. Let's refresh it. You will see number of visits is 1, and if I go to WooCommerce orders, you will see this is the new order that we just placed. I'm going to mark this order as completed, update it, Now this order is completed. Now let's go back to SUMO affiliates and refresh it. Now here you will see total referrals will be 1. That means 1 product has been purchased using this user's affiliate link, and this is the commission that will be paid to the affiliate user. This is 10% of what we have purchased here. 150 is the original price, and 10% of 150 is nothing but 15 rupees. So this affiliate user will get 15 rupees. Now if I go to affiliate users dashboard and refresh it, go to dashboard, and you will see the details in the affiliate users account also. Overall earnings is 15 rupees, total unpaid is 15 rupees, total visit is 1. Let's go to statistics. You will see it here. 1 sale is there. If I go to visits, you will see 1 visit is there. Commission, you will see the commission here, 15 rupees. You can change the style settings of this dashboard. If you go to the settings here, go to advanced, and you will see the color settings here. Menu background is this color. You can change this color. Let's change it to black. Dashboard background, let's change it to this one. Save the changes, and you will see the changes here. So you can change the style settings of this dashboard. This is the dashboard for the affiliate user. So it is very easy to start affiliate system in a WooCommerce website using SUMO affiliates plugin. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.